2025 alone, Spotify said they have paid over $11 billion to the music industry, and that is roughly $916 million every single month. Now, the real question is, how can you also get your own share of this money? Most people think you need to be signed into a big record label or becoming the next Burna Boy, Wizkid or Ashake to be able to make money with music. With AI tools, you can create original songs without going to the studio, without recording the vocals yourself. And yes, people are already making thousands of dollars doing this with AI tools. Now, if I come over here to Spotify, this artist here called DevBeat Sign. Now, this is a complete AI artist. They use AI to generate all their songs and then upload it on Spotify. So if I go ahead and scroll down here, you can see their first music ever got over 1.3 million streams. This is AI generated. Now, if I come over here to Google and search how much Spotify pays per stream, you can see here it says Spotify paid between 0.003 cents to 0.005 cents per stream. So anytime someone plays your music, you earn 0.003 cents. It actually depends on where the stream is coming from. Now, this simply means 1 million streams can generate roughly $3,000 to $5,000. With these two songs alone, the person behind this could probably earn around $6,000 to $10,000 with just the two songs. And you can see they also have other songs here getting hundreds of thousands of streams every single month. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create AI generated songs, how to distribute it to Spotify, and importantly, the rules you need to follow so your music doesn't get rejected or flagged by Spotify. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out anytime I drop another video just like this. Okay guys, so the platform we are going to be using in this video to create our music is called musicgpt.com. so you can go straight to the website, or I'm going to also leave my referral link in the video description down below. Now, once you sign up with that link in the video description, you are going to get free 500 credits, which you can actually use it to start practicing how to do this better. Now, once you sign up and log into your account, this is basically where it's going to take you. So this is basically where you can describe the song you want to create, and over here, this is where you can upload files that has lyrics. You can also click over here to record your voice. This is basically where you can add your own lyrics, or you basically describe the song and the AI writes the entire lyrics for you. So if I go ahead and click on it right here, you can see here it is saying add your lyrics. But let's say you want the AI to actually generate the lyrics for you. All you need to do is to come over here, click on generate. This is basically where you can go ahead and tell the AI what the lyrics should be about. For example, you can tell the AI to write a song about heartbreak. Just go ahead and enter it here and click on generate. Alright, so right now I'm going to go ahead and create a song live in this video so you guys can see how it's done. So all I'm going to do right now is to go ahead and paste my prompts right here. Now, one thing I want to let you guys know is that you need to actually explain every detail of the song to the AI so it understands exactly what to create. So don't just tell the AI to just create a song about heartbreak. Of course, it will create the song for you, but it will not be high quality. So all you need to do is to make sure you give the AI every detail of the songs. And if you don't know how to do that, you can simply make use of ChatGPT to do that as well. Alright, so this is my prompt here. Slow burn Afrofusion R&B song. Remember, you need to tell the AI every detail of your song. So I'm saying it is a slow burn African fusion R&B song, and the song should have 90 BPM, which is beats per minute. And I went ahead to say I need a female vocalist with a soulful, smoky tone and emotional delivery. Now, the next thing I said, lyrics should be about a long distance relationship, a minimalist production with a deep sub bass, soft shakers, and an atmospheric electric piano, high fidelity studio recording quality. So you can see how I actually explain every detail of the song, from the genre, the BPM, the vocalist, what the music is about, the production, and everything. Once I hit on it, it is going to go ahead and create two songs. So let's just go ahead and wait for the final results. Okay guys, so after waiting for about 1 or 2 minutes, the AI basically generates the two songs. So I'm going to go ahead and wear my headset now so we can listen to it together.
The dust settles slow on the mahogany floor. A shadow leans heavy against the locked door. No matches are left in a silver tray, just the ghost of a word you forgot to say. One glass holds the light of a dying street lamp.
So you can see the beautiful song that the AI actually generated for us. So let's go ahead and play the second one.
The dust settles slow on the mahogany floor. A shadow leans heavy against the locked door. No matches left in the silver tray, just the ghost of a word you forgot to say. One glass holds the light of a dying street lamp. The air in this corner feels heavy and dead.
Alright, so to download the songs, all you need to do is to come over here, click on this arrow here, and you can see the song is downloading right now. Now another question is, how are you now going to upload this music to Spotify? Now the truth is that you cannot just directly upload songs or your music to Spotify just like that. It doesn't work like YouTube, where you can just open a YouTube account, create videos and upload it directly. And there are a couple of companies that actually help artists to upload their songs on Spotify, Apple Music and other streaming platforms. Now one of the popular one is called distrokid.com. This is the one that I heard a lot of artists use. The first time I heard about it was through my brother, who is a musician. It is basically a distribution company where they help you to distribute your songs to all streaming platforms. So you can say it says DistroKid is the easiest way to get your music online, unlimited upload, keep 100% of your earnings and more features than any other music distributor. All you need to do is to go ahead, enter your emails, your password and then sign up your account. Once you sign up and log in, it's going to take you here. Now you can see here, these are their subscription here. You can see that it is not that much to help you distribute your music on all streaming platforms. How to keep your account safe on Spotify? The first thing is where the music is coming from. You actually need to be a paid member for you to be able to upload any song you generate from this platform. Second thing is to make sure you follow Spotify guidelines. So according to Spotify, if you are uploading AI generated songs, you should be able to label those songs as AI generated. Thanks for watching so much. If you do appreciate me making this video, please take a second to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out anytime I drop another video just like this. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.